First sum. 13.2 exercise, surface areas and volumes. Second, first sum. A solid is in the shape of cone. Okay, standing on a hemisphere, like this, standing on a hemisphere, with both radii being same, equal to 1 centimeter. This is one, this is one. Of course, this is also one because this is also radius. Okay, 1 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Height of the cone, this is height of the cone. This is also 1 he gave, 1 centimeter he gave. Okay, so compulsory in the figure you have to put the measurements. Find the volume of the solid. Volume of the solid. What is the volume of the solid? Means one cone is there, one hemisphere is there. Means volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. You should remember the formulas. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. In both of them, what is common? 1 by 3 pi r square common. What is left over here? Height of the cone plus 2r. Okay, so 1 by 3 into pi into 1 square, because radius is 1, height of the cone is also 1, plus 2 into radius is 1. So 1 by 3 into pi into 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 cancel. So pi cc is volume of solid. Pi cc is the volume of the solid. First question. Pi cc or 3.14 cc or 22 by 7. Volume of the solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Like this we have to do. Okay, so you have to remember the formulas. As you keep on practicing the sums, you will understand and you will remember the formulas. Okay, next question. Please copy along with me. Second question. Rachel, an engineering student, she made a small project with like this shape. When cylinder is there, two cones are there on either side. An engineering student, okay, so attached to both ends. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeters. The diameter of the model, okay, little bit big, shall I draw? So the diameter of the model is 3 centimeters. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. Okay, so radius will be 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Of course, cone also has same radius, cylinder also has same. And next one, after this, and length is 12 centimeter. Diameter of the model is 3 and length is 12 centimeter. Total length is 12 centimeter. Total length. Okay, and the height of the cone is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. 2 plus 2, how much? 4. From 12, if you remove this 2, height of only cylinder is 8 centimeters. Compulsory, you should draw the figure. Without figure, if you draw, you will not get marks. What is the volume of solid? What is the volume of solid? One cone is there, one cylinder is there, one cone is there. Volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Okay, so volume of cone plus volume of cone, 2 volumes of cones I am putting here. 2 volumes of cone I am putting here, all of you see here. So 2 volumes are there. So 2 volumes of cones plus volume of cylinder. So volume of cone, 2 volume. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So pi r square we will take common, pi r square. Only pi r square we will take common. If you take pi r square here common, 2 by 3 h of cone is over plus height of cylinder. Okay, so because radius is same, heights are not same, that's why I'm not taking height as common. Heights are not same. So 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. Height of cone is how much? 2 plus height of cylinder is 8. Height of cylinder is 8. Please copy down along with me. Please copy down along with me. I'm doing here. So 22 by 7 into 9 by 4. 9 by 4. After this 9 by 4 is there. 22 by 7. I'm rubbing this. 9 by 4 into 2 2s are 4. 4 by 3 plus 8. This whole thing, how much it will become? Please concentrate here, all of you. 9 by 4, or here 4 by 3 is there. So 3 is the LCM. If you take 3 is LCM, 3 4s are 8 3s are 24. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. Let's kindly check this. 22 by 7 into 3 by 7. 3 by 7, 4 of this is 4. This is 4 children. This is 4. This is 4 into 28. Okay, because this 3 3 is a 9 has gone. 7 4s are 28. 4 4 has gone. 22 3s are 66 centimeter cube is volume of solid. Volume of solid. Total volume of the solid. Anyone have any doubt in this question? You can ask me, no problem. Anyone have any doubt? This I have taken here. This I have taken here. This I have taken here. Okay, so this is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is also 1 by 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is 2 by 3 pi r square h. So 2 by 3 pi r square h plus this is pi r square h. So pi r square I have taken 2 by 3 h of cone plus h of cylinder I have taken like this. So when you take common, kindly what you do, don't do this, and don't do it. Compulsory you have to take common. As heights are not same, I did not take common. Till last, don't keep on multiplying all numerators, all denominators, then don't go for division. Definitely, most of the term will get cancelled in the final equation. Better do like this only. It is easy process. Third one, very, very important. All of you, please go through the question. Please go through the question. Third one, Gulab jamun sum. Very, very important sum. Please go to the question, all of you. Third one. Third one, Gulab jamun sum. A gulab jamun is there like this in the shape. Kala jamun. In fact, this is a kala jamun. Okay. This gulab jamun, if you see, this is a hemisphere and this is cylinder. This is hemisphere. Total 5 mm it is there. Total 5 mm is the size. Total 5 mm is the size of the total gulab jamun. Okay. So what is saying? The each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends, 5 centimeters, not mm children, 5 centimeters. Okay, and 2.8 is the diameter. 2.8. Shall we draw a little bit big? It will be easy for you. Total is 5 centimeter. Total is 5 centimeter. This is 2.8. This is 2.8 means 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4. 1.4, 1.4 is 2.8. This is if you remove this only length of the cylinder 2.2 cc will come. 2.2 cc will come. Only length of the cylinder. So like this 30 gulab jamuns are there, it seems in the question. You see, if you see, there are 30 gulab jamuns are there, and this 30 gulab jamuns in each and there is a total for 30% of sugar syrup is there. 30% of sugar syrup. So into 30% you should do. 45 gulab jamuns are there. 45 gulab jamuns with 30% sugar syrup. Percent means by 100. Now, total volume of gulab jamun is equal to 2 hemispheres is equal to 1 sphere. Volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder into 45 into 0 0 cancel 3 by 10. 30% sugar syrup. 1 gulab jamun into 45, total volume of 45 gulab jamuns with 30% sugar syrup. What is the volume he's asking? This is the question. Okay, so volume of sphere is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder is how much? Pi r square h.
Sir, 30% sugar percent add చేయాలి కదా sir?
No, multiply 30% sugar syrup. Why we should add none? How can we add like that? 45 into 3 by 10. So here pi r square is common in both of them. Pi r square, if you take common, 4 by 3 r plus h into 45 into 3 by 10. Okay. Now I am removing the figure. Please, I hope everyone copied the figure. I am doing slowly the sum. Please, very, very important sum. Don't get confused with the sum. So pi r square means 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 1.4 into 1.4 into 45 into 3 by 10 into 4 by 3 into 1.4 plus height of the height of the this one. Only cylinder we want. 1.4, 1.4, 2.8 we remove. 1.4, 1.4 if we removed from 5, this became how much? 2.2. This is 2.2. So please check here, 22 by 7, easy calculation, 14 by 10, 14 by 10, 45 into 3 by 10 into 5.6 by 3 plus 2.2. Okay, please keep copying along with me so that it will become easy for you. Any doubts you have, you can ask me, no problem will be there. 7 2s are. Okay, so 2 into 2, 44 into 14 into 45 into 3 by 1000 into 3 if you take LCM, 5.6 plus 3 into 2.2, 6.6. This 3 I'm cancelling. 45 into 14 into 45. 5.6 plus 6.6 is 12.2 by 1000. Okay, so this point also, if I remove, one more zero will come. Okay, so total you have to multiply. When you multiply, finally answer somewhere it comes some around 338.183 cc of sugar syrup is there in 45 gulab jamuns. Okay, this you multiply, this you multiply, this you multiply, this you multiply, you will get 338.183 by 10,000. If you don't, you will get 338.183 cc. Please copy down, children. Please copy down everyone neatly, all of you. Very, very important sum. Very, very important sum. Copy down all of you. Okay, those who did not understand, I am saying again, just a small revision. There is a Gulab jamun like this, two hemispheres, one sphere plus one cylinder. Volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder I have taken. Okay, volume of cylinder plus volume of this one I have taken. Then after taking this into 45 Gulab jamuns into 30% sugar syrup I did. That's all. Measurement is 5 centimeter. Here 2 point, here 1.4 has gone, here 1.4 has gone. This is 2.2. Measurements also very, very important. You should be in a position to analyze this measurements. Okay. Next one, fourth sum. Please kindly go to fourth sum, all of you. There is a cuboid like this. There is a cuboid. Okay, whose measurements are 15 length, 10 breadth, 3.5 centimeters height. In this, they have making four conical depressions to keep four pens. They want to make a pen stand. Four conical depressions. The cones are measurements having the radius of each cone is 0.5 centimeter. Radius of each cone is 0.5 centimeter and height of each cone is 1.4 centimeter. 1.4 centimeter. Okay, so he's asking what is the volume after digging this four cones small depressions. Okay, so here volume is asking volume of remaining solid after you remove four conical depressions, volume of cuboid minus four volumes of cones. Here we should do minus. In suppose same question, if suppose he asked the same question TSA, it will be a different issue. I will explain after the sum. I am explaining volume. From this solid, remove four cones. Remove four cones for volumes. How TSA will change, I will explain after the sum. Okay. Volume of cuboid is LBH. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. LBH is 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 0.5 into 0.5 into height is 1.4. Please check. So 3.5 into means if you remove this point, 10 will cancel. 15 into 35, 525 minus. Okay, so 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 14 by 10. Okay, so easy calculations you have to do always. You should not make it complicated. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. This 4 has gone. 7 2s are 14. 44 by 30. 44 by 30. Okay, so 525 by 1 second. 4, 22 to the 44, 3 to the 30. 2 22s are 2 15s are 22 by 15. Just you do, don't take LCM, don't multiply, don't subtract, again divide with 15. That is a big procedure. Just to do 22 by 15, that is 1 point approximately 7 6 4, 1.4 will come. Just to divide 22 by 15. 525 minus 1.4 is 523.6. cc is volume of cc in centimeter cube. Remaining solid after taking away 4 cones. Okay, like this you have to do. So don't take LCM, multiply, subtract, again divide with 15. There is no meaning. Just divide with 22 by 15 and subtract from 525. Easy method to do in exam, so that your time will not be consumed so much. Okay. Anyone have any doubts in this?